can hop back in there. Let me talk to you real quick, okay?
This ain't no traffic stop, and I know my rights, and
okay.
You're not in jurisdiction here, buddy.
I work for a countywide task force. Hop in the car for me, okay?
A task force?
Correct. With the Galveston County Crime Reduction.
So
Hop in the car for me, man?
No, I'm okay. This isn't a traffic stop.
Put your hands behind your back because I'm going to detain you because the plate doesn't return to anything, okay?
You have no right to do anything.
Place your hands behind your back for me,
I'm
all right?
okay.
Okay.
I have 3 kids in the car, so you're
Come over here for me, man. Calm down.
No, you
Come
call
over
a
here.
sergeant, buddy.
No, step back over here. I'm going to
You're
run you.
not going to touch me.
Then just stand right here, okay? Calm down. Your plate doesn't return to anything.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay, stay out of the car, bud. Stay out of the car.
Bro, don't touch me.
Stay out of the car, man. Stay
This
out
is
of the
not a
car.
task force. Do not touch me. I'm not a part of a traffic stop.
Step up over here, okay?
No, I will not.
Step up over here.
Call your sergeant, and you just touched me, so you're violating my rights.
Step up over here. Don't make this a big deal. Come here, please. Stop. Step up here. Don't clench your fence. Just step up in front of my car. 4220. Send me back to the Ulta and Kemah, whoever's closest.
Yeah.
Step up here in front of my car, okay?
I'm all right.
Step up in front of my car, okay? Where did you get the plates?
What do you mean?
The license plate.
It's an Amazon plate. I had a car show because I rebuild cars.
Step up in front of the car for me,
so
okay?
I'm okay.
Step up in front of the car while I investigate to make sure the car's not stolen, okay?
You can do your research.
Step up in front of the car, okay?
One, this is not a traffic stop, so you have nothing.
Step up in front of the car. I'm not trying to escalate, dude. Step up in front of the car.
Yeah, I know you're not trying to escalate, but I'm telling you I know my rights. I just did 4 years in prison. You ain't got no right to tell me shit.
Man, stay out of the car for just a second.
You don't have any right to tell me anything. You can get away from my vehicle.
Step up in front of the car. Stop. You don't fight now here. Put your hands down, dude.
What are you talking about?
Get down on the ground, man. Get down on the fucking ground.
What are you doing?
Back up, man. Back up. I'm fighting. Back up, man. Put your fucking hands behind your back, dog. Do it now. Do it now.
I can't do shit with you on me, bro. Get off of me, bro. Man,
get on your belly, you buddy. Get on your fucking belly.
I'll sue you.
Get on your belly.
You just need me?
Send me a unit
I
code.
can't get on my
Get on your fucking belly, dude, now.
How the fuck am I gonna do that, you dumb bitch?
I'm gonna let my dog bite you,
bro,
dude. You understand?
I can't get over.
I'm gonna let my dog bite you.
I'm not resisting
I'm gonna let my dog bite you. You already just punched me, dumbass.
You tackle me for no reason.
Get on your fucking face, dude.
Alright.
Get on your fucking bro.
Get your hand down. Get off me.
Get your hand down.
Bro, get off me. Bro, get off me, bro.
Get your hand behind your back.
Bro, get off me, bro. I'm suing you. Bro,
stop. Stay down on the fucking ground.
I have not resisted arrest and you are illegally
Stay down on the ground.
You are illegally detained.
Give me your hand now.
I'm not resisting arrest. You are.
Give me your fucking hand.
Bro, you are illegally detaining me.
Keep him coming. I got one in custody.
Bro, what the fuck, nigga? Bro, get the fuck off me, bro. You finna break my wrist, bro. I have heat restrictions.
Stop. Stay down.
I'm comfortable. It's hot.
Stay down.
Bro, it's hot, bro. Bro, it's hot. It's hot. Get off me, please.
Stay down.
I'm trying to break my wrist.
Down.
You
Stop.
are breaking my wrist, you fucking pussy.
Stop.
Man, bro, I swear to God, I'm suing you so bad.
Close.
I'm so suing you so hard.
Stop.
I'm
trying to get up.
It's hot. I'm not resisting. It's hot, bro. Please. Please, bro. It's burning, bro. Please, bro. This hurts.
I'm at the Ulta and Kemah.
Bro, please, this hurts, bro. I'm not even resisting you, bro.
Back up.
He's punching him in the face.
Back up.
I got it all on recording.
Bro, you're getting sued, bro. Your job is over with, Papa.
Please have a.
Bro, you broke my thumb, bro.
Stop. Y'all started this. I'm just trying to be cool.
No, I didn't. You didn't. You detaining me for illegal reasons.
Clear. I got him in handcuffs now, but
bro, you are illegally resist, bro. You have detained me illegally.
Relax, bud. Relax.
Bro, I'm suing you, bro. It's hot.
Huh?
You had no reason to be.
Okay, whatever.
Bro, you are illegal as fuck right now, dude. It's fucking hot, man.
Okay.
I am burning.
Back up.
I'm burning. Please get me up.
Back up.
Please,
bro, I'm on your side.
Please get me up, bro.
You can stop.
Bro,
you can stay down there until I get a unit.
Me, my nigga.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. You have no right to do shit.
Stop.
Can I please stand up? I'm not resisting.
Stop.
Stand up. Stand up.
When I get a unit here.
I have this eczema, bro. This skin is fucking burning me. Please let me up.
Relax.
Please let me up, bro.
You got pants on, man.
I'm burning my chest. Please let me up.
You're not on your chest.
Bro, I just was, and you just punched me and kneed me. You're going to jail,
punched
buddy.
me in the face.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
and it's
you
on
did.
body cam, pussy.
Yes, it is.
You
You
illegally
swung on me.
detained me and wrestled me to the ground with no reason.
Okay,
You're
stop.
over with.
Stop.
You're over with. Your job is over with, you
Just
little
stop,
fucking
man.
pussy.
Stop.
Hey, if you didn't have that badge, I swear to God, you'd be over with today, Papa. Hell yeah. Yep. You just illegally detained me, Papa. Hell yeah. You gonna write me my ticket and you going to jail today,
You're
buddy.
under arrest for assault on a police
Nope.
officer. Yes, you are.
I didn't assault nobody. You just detained me and threw me on the ground. You detained me for no reason and threw me on the ground. You are over with.
Stay down.
I have a right to defend myself.
Stay down.
All right. I got you, buddy. I got you, buddy.
I'm gonna need a unit.
Hell yeah, you is. Bro, you just illegally detained me for some traffic shit.
Times.
Hell yeah. And it's on camera, you fucking punk.
Stand up. You got a cage?
Yeah, you're a pussy. You ain't had them badge on.
Whatever, dude. Come. The car's this way. It's this way.
Bro, you're yanking me the complete.
Hang on. He hasn't been searched, man.
Why do you have so much force on me, fam?
Nobody does. Spread your feet
You're
out.
forcing me. You have no
Spread your
right to
feet
search me.
out. You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You're illegally detained me,
Spread
bro.
your feet out. He's still resisting. 2415. Yeah, you said that.
Hell yeah.
Man, back up to the back of that car, okay? You can film all you want.
You're detaining me. You're going to jail, buddy. You're going to jail. And you keep forcing the fuck up.
Well, you're not cooperating,
What the fuck
dude.
are you doing? Bro, how am I not cooperating? You threw me to the ground when I wasn't doing shit. Bro, you're going to jail. You threw me on the ground when I didn't do shit. Your ass is cooked.
Okay.
You fucking dumbass motherfucking abusive ass pig.
Okay.
What? I said I want rank and you detain me, bro. Get off
All right,
me.
we have enough out here now.
Bro, get the fuck off me.
Let us search you, okay?
You
Stop
ain't searching
fighting.
shit. This is illegal detaining.
Hold his hands up
Bro,
here so
you
we can
finna
search
break
you.
my arm, bro. I swear
Well, then
to God,
stop
I'ma shoot the
resisting,
fuck out of you,
man.
bro. Man, bro, you are a piece of shit.
Back up.
I need my.
Back up. How many times am I going to tell you? Back up.
Bro, Officer Sarge, can I speak to you alone, Sarge? I'm in fear for my life. Please let me speak to you alone,
Dude, kick
Sarge.
your leg out, dude.
Bro, you're just pulling me away. What the fuck are you talking about? Bro, he detained me out of my car for no reason.
That's fake plate on.
What you don't need to hear you. Understand?
And he admitted it was fake.
Let's go down. See, this thing's called a wrap. That's what you're going to. It's not fun.
He's going in
Sarge,
there.
Well, you're going in.
Spread your feet out.
Chill
This
out.
side.
I'm going in it for what? Being illegally detained.
Being combative.
I haven't done shit, bro. Bro, what the fuck? You're breaking my wrist, fam.
Stop.
Let go
Dude,
of
just
my-
comply.
Come down there. Chill.
You punched me in the face first.
Get down there.
I want an ambulance.
Okay, do you have your ID on you? You're involved in this, okay? You can film all you want. You keep filming.
Move away from me. Idiot.
4220, log a plate. It has no return.
School shopping for my son, and you're gonna punch his dad in the face like that?
Yeah.
He's in there punching him like that?
Okay.
Do you feel good about yourself punching
It's
people?
Idenora Henry 5050. Idenora
So
Henry
intimidating.
5050.
Miles.
Thank you.
We're gonna learn that today.
It's a fake plate. You can stay right here by my car, okay?
Bro, are y'all for real?
You can stay right there, okay? Because he's combative.
Because you were punching him
Go
in
ahead.
the face, y'all are all gonna get sued.
I couldn't get a return. I tried Idenora Henry 5050 and one Nora Henry 5050.
I love this shit.
He threw a good one on my
Bro,
chin.
this is unnecessary.
He connected on my chin one time.
Y'all doing this and I haven't even resisted.
Ma'am, we understand you don't like what happened, okay?
No.
You can go back over there.
watched it all.
Call the Tech City Police Department. You can file a complaint, okay? 4220.
Hell yeah, it's like your friend. Detaining somebody who knows
It's Karen right there. We got one coming. We could put him in. Do you have a long cage?
I want an EMT.
Okay.
Just like I wanted Sarge and then you detain.
4220. You roll medics. He's got a. Said his mouth hurts or something like that.
My wrist, boss. Come on, boss. I'm not no idiot, boss. Come on, man. Y'all been doing money off force for him. Just detain me.
Oh, we got a unit coming up here.
How you
Let
gonna
me see this.
punch me?
Yeah.
I have the right to defend myself.
4220 to Sergeant Kellerman. Where's the unit that's transporting him? We're trying to get him out of here. We got a crowd.
Just discharge the technique to the unit. They're short. I'll have one of my guys do it. It's no big deal.
County's out here. They advise they're going to 95 and for us. You can continue on up this way if you want. Appreciate it.
County, can you transport?
4220. He's in the route. County's going to transport. Y'all could take him to Tech City, and I'll deal with him from there. Or we could take him. We could take him to County.
You want tanks?
What's easier for you?
I don't care.
195 and straight to the county. Sorry, she's still worked up. Negative, just hard hand. He swung on me. We're good. Good. Nah, we'll have them look at them. If they're already here. Actually, we'll get them looked at the jail headquarters.
Tech City or?
Just take them to county. I'll be down there, and it's going to take me a few minutes to. If they.
Hey, what's your badge number?
4220.
4220.
Correct. Behler. 4222 deals.
You're about to have this whole charge. You're about to go for no job.
You said that.
No, look at what y'all are doing. My child.
4222 by numbers.